Welcome! In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called System and select it. And here, scroll down, find the option About and tap on it to enter. Oh, About, not regulatory information. Once you open the About menu, you can scroll down and under the versions, you should see the serial number. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.